This project makes a difference. If you're driving I-205, you're already experiencing the benefits of auxiliary lanes and ODOT RealTime signs. These improvements are delivering on the congestion relief promised in House Bill 2017 to keep Oregon moving.
I-205 is a really important piece of infrastructure for people in the region.
It's a bypass for the majority of the traffic that does not want to go through the downtown corridor. We've paved 9 miles of freeway in both directions between Johnson Creek Boulevard and Glen Jackson Bridge.
The growth that we're seeing is relying on the same infrastructure that we've had for many years. So upgrading those and making them more accessible is really an important part of what we're doing.
We only had a specific amount of time to be out there. I feel like we really did our part in making sure that they were able to get the work that they needed to done on 205.
We constructed 3 auxiliary lanes to help reduce conflicts with merging traffic, ease congestion, and improve safety at key bottleneck locations.
Auxiliary lanes have been beneficial already on I-205 because it's keeping commuters and freight moving.
A lot of the products that Oregon producers are shipping to foreign markets are really high value and perishable products, so having them find quick ways to market is important to them.
Real-time signs allow you to plan ahead.
You see them coming and they warn especially around incidents ahead of you, and for people trying to get their products to market, that's also a really important signal for them on the highway, so it's been a great addition.
These improvements will reduce bottlenecks and congestions and increase safety for the 168,000 drivers on this section of I-205.
And if people can get to their jobs faster, they're going to be able to be more productive, and that's economically vibrant for the business. That's also just better as a whole for the individual.
We're really thinking a lot about total mobility and how people move around the region, so it's not just about passenger traffic, it's about freight, it's about increasing use of transit and reducing carbon emissions. So as we make improvements like this, it's really part of this greater system that is so important to people in the region.
Everything went as planned. Everything was completed on time.
ODOT has been a great partner in this process. The collaboration around when the projects would take place and still managing to come in on budget and on time is really a great achievement. So we're really grateful for the work that was done.
The end results have been rewarding for a lot of people, a lot of businesses.
Thank you very much for your patience. We hope that the improvements that we made will make your commute much quicker, much easier, much safer.